guys! Welcome back to my channel and it's your girl Laine, and for today's video, hindi ako sure kung kaya kong gawin to today, so I will just try to make the most out of it. So today I'm on a field reserve, so ipapakita ko sa inyo anong buhay ng isang field reserve. So yeah, there. So, ang pasok ko today is 6 p.m. till 12 midnight. So, I'm too early here sa work. So, it's just 4:34 in the afternoon. So, super aga ko umalis ng house. Yes, because baka traffic kasi, so I don't wanna be late for my sign-in time. So, yeah, I'm just sitting around here in the car, you know, medyo patay-patay ng oras ng very light. So, yeah, I'll try to show you around maybe, or kung anong ginagawa ko pag FR ako. So, yeah. So, guys, basically, ang baon ko kapag FR, mga usually sweet. So, yeah, nagbaon ako ng cookies and some chocolates. So, pang pa-boost ng energy. And of course, a charger, so just in case malobat ako. And yeah, this one, yung pang double na pang ano sa phone, para if ever I am using my earphones and I wanted to charge, so I could do that same time. So yeah. So yeah, I'm in the office now and tambay-tambay muna ng very light. So, still awaiting for that call to be upgraded or what, or hindi. Or tambay ako dito hanggang 12 midnight. So, good luck. So, yep, tambay muna tayo. Kahit ang aga pa, time now is 5:09, so I still have 1 hour before my sign-in time. So guys, time check. It's already 10:05 in the evening and I don't think na ma-upgrade ako. Rest lang muna dito sa aming crew lounge area. Rest lang until 12 midnight. So, I'll just wait. Maybe, load lang ng Netflix or whatever. So, guys, malapit ako mag-out. It's already 11:37. So, less than 30 minutes na lang mag-out na ako. So, yeah. Hindi ako upgraded. Sayang. Sana in-HR na lang talaga nila ako, diba? Kung hindi naman nila ako i-upgrade. So, yeah. That's it. Ito ang buhay ng FR. So, awaiting ka, standby ka kung upgraded ka or hindi, or what.
So guys, I'm officially out. It's already 12:03 in my time. So, from T3, pupunta ako ng AOC kasi doon ako nakapark.
Drive away. So yeah, basically yun lang yung ginawa ko. Hindi ako na-upgrade today. And ang ginawa ko lang naman, nag-sign in ako, tumambay ng very light. Tapos may nakita akong close ko na purser. So ayun, nagtsikahan kami. Punta kami ng Starbucks, coffee, because I love coffee. And konting snacks lang doon, ganun. Tapos tsikahan for like almost 3 hours. And then went back again to our office in T3. So, yun lang ginawa ko today. Nag-antay lang ako. So, hindi ako na-upgrade. So, sayang ang aking makeup and uniform. So, yeah. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And, don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. This has been your girl, Vanity Laine. And, I'll see you again next time. Bye!